So let me teach you how to do this first, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen from my iPad, hopefully, and it's good little practice here. The screen share. Of course, I'm going to record this, right, so you can see it. And so it takes over, and this is kind of a little fun. This is what it's going to look like when we go into distance learning next week, right? So I am not going to share that, and I'm going to keep going. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you. So how I record on a video, I slide down my iPad, and you can see this little red circle here. That means I know that if I click on here, I'm going to be recording, which I know that I am. And when I click on here, you can see that I am screen recording right now. But when you do it, make sure that this red microphone is on and that you go ahead and start your recording that way. Okay? So when you are recording like I am right now, then obviously I want to go into Notability, and I have the retake test loaded in my Notability. And you could just take screenshots of what you did, or you can put it in Notability and solve from there. And then I would go ahead and explain what I would do. And I'm just going to go ahead and go to question number 2. And I'm going to say, oh, I can see here that I'm supposed to solve for my X and Y intercepts, which means I have to make a t-table so that I can represent what I know. If I want to solve for the y-intercept, the value of x is 0. So if that's true, then this goes away, and I have negative 8y equals 40. And I can simply divide by negative 8 in order to solve for my y value, which is negative 5. And then, of course, I would want to also solve for my x-intercept, so that's when y is 0. When y is 0, then that would just go away, and I could solve just dividing by 5, right? And I would know this would be 8. And then I would have my x and y intercepts. And again, I would go ahead and explain how I do all these problems on here. If you're not sure because you didn't get them right on the test, then please, I'm available every day at lunch. I'm at school usually by 7 o'clock, so I'm there unless there's some weird traffic thing. I'm there. You can come in early. I can walk through these problems with you so you can really fix what you're doing. And then to simply finish the video, I'm on my iPad and I slide down from the corner again, and I hit that little stop button right there, and you can tell it stops the recording that I was doing in here too. So that's what it looks like. And then what you would do next, and I'm going to go ahead and reshare. What you do next from here is share again, which will restart my broadcast. But when I'm done with a video, right, it will automatically share to your photos, right? So when I go to photos, I can see down in this little corner right here, this was the last little video I was making. This is a video I made for you guys. So if I click on this video, right now, I can see where it stopped sharing right here. I can send this to Drive. When I send something to Drive, I have to make a shareable link, a shareable link. So what does that look like? Well, let me just move this. I'm going to see how there's this little arrow right here. I'm going to send it out, and I'm going to send it to Drive. And when I send it to Drive, notice how it has all this replay, blah, blah, blah up here. I need to label that my name, and period. So, you know, I know where it's going to. And then I can pick a folder on my drive, whatever. I often like to just make a video, a folder called math videos, and I can save it there, right? And I upload the video. Once it is uploaded, I need to share a link, right? How do I share that link? And we're going to be doing this often in class, so it's not like this is going to be a waste of your time. I'm going to go back to Drive and find that folder again, and my math videos, and I used the other folder, sorry. No, I didn't. Oop. Let me just grab one of these. Oh, here it is. Your name and your periods right there. So then when I hit here, I have to hit share. When I get a shared link, notice how it says right here, who has access? Don't grab this link and send it to me. I won't be able to open it. So I need to click right there and change so that it has Valley Christian Schools. Okay. Once I know it has Valley Christian Schools, this link is what I click. It copies to my clipboard, and I simply email that to my teacher, which would be me. Okay. So hopefully that explains everything that you need to have, and that you're feeling good about that you can get that redemption. Again, I'm here every day at lunch to help you. I get there about 7:10. Wednesdays, I have devotional meeting. Tomorrow, I'm not available at lunch. I have a lunch meeting, but Wednesday, Thursday, warrior time, before school, there for you. Let me know. Okay? Bye.